Jones residence. Oh, hi, Sydney. Yes, just a second. Dear, it's that Sydney girl again for Leon. Can you let him know she's on the phone, please?
Darn kids.
Hey, Slick, Sydney's on the phone.
What'd you say, old man?
Phone, Sydney, again.
Remember one of these? A lot of great things came out of the 70s, just like this home. We're gonna take you on a tour. We've got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that has a full unfinished basement, brand new roof and gutters, gas cooktop kitchen, and hardwood flooring. You're going to love this one. Let's go take a look around. You know, dear, they just don't make them like they used to anymore.
Sure don't. A lot of great things came out of the 70s, including me.